This is the most intense alpine coaster. And unlike most mountain coasters, you can't control the speed on this one.
So for the first day of our German European trip, we're at the Bob.
Wow! Located a Bratwurst away from Munich, or if you're German, Munchen. Nom 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 nom.
SPEEDBOB, it's the fastest toboggan ride in the world, and you might see that I'm already a bit drenched because well, we've done the toboggan ride in a storm. So come along and join us for this stormy video.
This really is calm before the storm. I'm Charlie, aka Castlestein.
And I'm Kiara, the Aussie.
We're from opposite sides of the world.
When we're not at theme parks,
we're exploring new places and finding hidden gems. So come along on this adventure with us. Literally only a couple hours ago, we just landed in Munich, and yeah, we have got a Bumblebee go-kart. Yeah.
The SPEEDBOB is basically a hybrid, closer to a roller coaster than a normal toboggan ride. Runs at a fixed high speed.
With a top speed of 37 miles per hour. Whoa. So with these rides, you can do single rides, and it costs around €4 each. And if you want a whole day pass, it is €28. And we want to say a big thank you to the team for providing us free admission for these rides. So let's ride.
SPEEDBOB. SPEEDBOB.
Not that Bob.
Ah, it's a mini lift hill. Right, so we've got to spot Kiara in a minute. She's going to do some off-ride filming, but I mean, if you look to the right, look how dark them clouds are. So hopefully we'll get some sun to the left, but yeah, doesn't look that great over there. Oh, I've got some on-ride music as well. Oh yeah. Some sort of German radio. Oh wait, here's Kiara. Wave at her. Does look like some pretty good airtime. Yeah, some German radio. Hopefully it's not copyrighted. Ooh. We need this lift to get a little bit quicker because we don't get wet by them clouds. Look, oh god. Wait, this is Don't Stop Believing, isn't it? Yeah, so this is definitely got to get copyrighted. Let's speed some things up. So as on the ticket, it says it operates in all weather. So yeah, if it does start chucking it down, I mean, we can still go on this pretty cool ride. So it's been about 3.5 minute lift hill, nearly there. Whoa. Holy moly. Wow. That was, yeah, that was intense. That was actually really good. Wow, yeah, that was actually really fun. Now let's see Kiara do it. What did you think of it?
it was really fast.
Super fast, wasn't it?
Super fast.
Super fast. On the video, you actually can see G-force on your face.
No.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
This is quite literally a hidden gem. I only found it because I was trying to look for somewhere to stop on our road trip and this came up. I couldn't find a lot about it on the internet, but this is probably the fastest toboggan ride in the world. I know you might say it's not an alpine coaster, it's a roller coaster. Is it a mountain coaster? What actually is it?
It's a
Wegan
sport coaster with automatic speed control.
With that super top speed of 37 miles per hour, and you can really feel it. But a normal alpine coaster has a maximum speed of about 28 miles per hour. This ride had some surprising airtime. It was actually really super fun. It went super fast and it's so unique. And if you are a coaster enthusiast, you should check this out. Also, take a look at these trains. They look like, what is it, Bullet Bill from Mario Kart. Yeah, they look like coffins. Sorry, that was a bit too dark. So now we've done SPEEDBOB, it's now for the other toboggan ride here. We decided to go on it together and well, this is when the storm comes. Since being a kid, I've always loved a toboggan ride. As look up there. Yeah, just it's like a memory thing, you know, when you look up in the sky. I think that's me checking if it was on. The longest lift hill in the world. Just taking some weird pictures. Yeah, I don't think I knew how to video back then.
There might be a video. This is
just videoing some bushes.
nice view of your hand.
It's like Call of Duty, but instead of gun, I've got a hand.
Why is your fingers like these?
I have sausage fingers back then. It did say it goes in all weather.
Brilliant.
Oh no, it don't help that's the longest like lift hill ever. Not only this place has toboggan rides, but also they have a German bouncy castle, German goats, German chickens, German birds, German quad bikes, and German food. Oh, and this course. So now we have completed the world's fastest toboggan ride. That means we earn a golden toboggan trophy in the Kasselstein Cabinet of Curiosities. Yeah, so this is something we're doing along our Kasselstein Euro tripping series. So come along and watch us do stuff.
Next time on Kasselstein's Euro tripping.
Sausage, 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 sausage.
So what's that called?
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut.
Yeah.
And it's
I
like
think it's pickled cabbage.
pickled cabbage. Well, I love pickle. I'm alright with cabbage. It's alright. It kind of tastes a bit like seafood.
It's alright, I don't
Nice.
mind it, but
No, it's alright. And the sausages, well, they're really nice. They're like barbecue, aren't they?